Yes, people, so I thought I'd do a day in the life of unboxing and showing you what sold over the weekend, just because it's been May bank holiday. Now, I do apologise for the background noise. I think someone's mowing outside, so if that noise does annoy you, I do apologise. We've got quite a few sales. Running trainers, these are the Trail 3s, I believe, in a UK 8.5. Now, if you haven't already, make sure that you get a label printer, because if you're still cutting out pieces of sellotape and then sticking it on paper, it makes your life so much harder. I've got a Munbin thermal printer, so I don't even have to buy ink for that, which is absolutely brilliant. Next up, we got sold some Doc Martens in a UK 5. I did pick up these off a seller that was selling a fair few other items, and then I saw they were also selling these Doc Martens, so I thought, why not? And mostly used shoes I do not sell in a box. I usually do sell them in a parcel bag, just because they don't care. So unless it's something like Jordan 4s that do come in a box, that are slightly new, or Yeezys, anything that comes in a box I'll usually ship in a double box then. But other than that, I'm usually quite stingy and use a parcel bag, and usually that doesn't affect my reviews. Yeah, that's quite loud, isn't it? That's quite annoying, actually. Next up, we sold a pair of Zoom Pegasuses. Again, a running shoe. Right, people, I had to quickly stop the recording because he was literally mowing what sounded like inside my apartment. So hopefully he's out back now, so hopefully he's not too loud. Typical when I do decide to record a video, there's someone mowing, because it's currently sunny in England, which is a bit weird. But anyways, let's get into more of the sales. So I just had to get them, but we sold 2 Nike Milers in a pink fuchsia colorway. I picked these up from the outlet, which I didn't make too much from them, but I probably will pick some more up. So I wasn't too worried about how much those would go for. So those were in a size medium and small, so the better sizes. So if you are picking these Milers up from the outlet, make sure to go for a small or medium. Next up, we sold another pair of Doc Martens. These are the Vonda Rose Doc Martens. Again, off the same seller. Managed to sell me their pairs of Doc Martens on the cheap. So usually I don't really sell Doc Martens, but obviously I sell anything for the right price. So usually I would want to move them quite quickly. Money to be made, there's money to be made. I'm not going to really question it. And finally, off the same seller, we also got these Oxblood Doc Martens in a UK 5 as well. So we managed to get, I think, 3 or 4 Doc Martens from that same seller. And they've all pretty much sold this weekend, which is good. A pair of running shoes. These are the Gore-Tex Trail 3s. These are actually brand new. Picked these ones up from the outlet. All these pair of Timberlands in a UK 9. They are wide men's. I believe these are the Timberland Nubucks. Brand new. Lightly tried on. Basically worn once. Pretty loud colorway. Pretty summery colorway. These sold in a UK 4.5, so a bay size. Brand new, but yeah, pretty clean colorway if you ask me. Next up, we sold some Air Max 90 Laser Blues. Again, brand new. These are a UK 8. Managed to sell these for £110. Again, that needs a box just because the buyer asked, and obviously I picked that one up at the outlet. So again, no lid, so they want an original box. But luckily, just because I buy and sell all the time, I've got a load of Nike boxes at my unit, so I'll pick those up later today. Oh, we do have another pair of Doc Martens. This was probably the last pair. These are the polka dot Doc Martens. Again, in good condition, which I didn't even realise. So yeah, brand new React Visions. These are the Black Vision Reds. So these are going to Emma. It's one Patters that I've sold in a russet brown, I think they're called, or dark russet. With tags and extra laces. Pretty nice pair. Patter on the actual tongue, and then you just got the Nike Air on the back. Anything else cool about these? No. Yeah, an alright release. Sold these for over 100, and I've still got 4 pairs left. These Specials, the Special Earth Stratas or laces. What I have noticed is women do typically spend more than men on shoes, or consistently. So these do fly out like hotcakes, I've noticed, especially if you're selling on laced and platforms like that. But actually, they've actually bricked on laced too. I did sell those on a different platform, and those were sold to Rebecca. Now we do also have everything to unbox behind me. So I sold some Atmosphere Dunks in UK 12, but I think they're still at my unit, so I'll have to find those later on. The other Mylar. So I used to think these were called Millers, but they're actually called Mylar because you run miles in them. So you learn something new every day. So yeah, they're actually called Nike Milers. I will probably pick up some more of those because they are super clean colorway. Next up, we did sell these MX95s, and these are actually pretty cool. These were from 2019, and they're called the MX95 Premiums, but there's actually a bit of silver material or glitter on these. But these are UK 7, so you have to be pretty brave to pull these off. Bubbles are perfect. Basically tried on, so they're in really, really good condition. And these sold for $50, so someone got a really good deal. Really good deal on the weekend on those. Yeah, that one's going as well. So we sold these pink velvet dunks for $75. Picked those up for $62.99 with student discount. And then we also sold some Jordan 12s, which I've actually had for a while. These are the Jordan 12 Amamanyas, and these have sold on Alias, so these are brand new. But some sort of grey, turtle grey, in a UK 5. Again, these sold pretty quickly. And you can pretty much see down here, feel free to screenshot my feet if you want, if you got a foot fetish. But those are all the orders that have been shipped, and then I've just got a box, some behind me. So I do have quite a few to unbox, so what I'm gonna do is just unbox them now. Right, okay people, finally managed to unbox everything. I mean, the amount of times people just wrap stuff in sellotape and bin liner is just, it's exhausting. Anyway, so first up we got some Panda Dunks. I know, yeah, but I picked these up for a tenner, so they'll obviously move. Because people still like to wear Panda Dunks, especially to festivals and stuff like that. So we do have some Yeezys 350s. Actually, we managed to start picking up a lot of these because for some reason they're starting to move again, even though brand new pairs aren't really moving that well. We have managed to pick up quite a few Yeezy 350s, so I'll have to double check whether they're authentic or not. I'm not the best at legit checking Yeezys. So we've got some fog grey Dunks as well. Again, picked these up for super cheap. I actually bought these off the same seller as the Panda Dunks. What else? We've also got some Jordan 4s in a metallic red. Again, I'll check these later. Look okay, but the conditions really, really bad on those. Next up, we've got some more Yeezy 350s. These are lightly used with a box. And I have no idea what's inside here. Okay, yeah, we've got some Adidas Specials. Then some more 350s. Again, lightly worn with box. Brand new Yeezy 350 Belugas. Have to check those as well. We've got some more Yeezy 350s. I'm not sure if I actually just, yeah, those are the pair that I just literally unboxed. Then we've got some, honestly, would you believe that this was wrapped in sellotape? Got some more Dunks. I believe these are the Coral Dunks. Kind of a bit of wear on the side there, but apart from that, no problemo. Right, that is it, guys. So that is the unboxing. Didn't take too long, did it? But yeah, so now what I've got to do is clean up this mess, legit check all the Yeezys and Jordans. The Dunks look absolutely fine to me. And then I just got to find some boxes for the pairs over there, ready to ship them all off. But that's what I'll pretty much spend doing today, and then I'll try and find some more items to buy. But yeah, let me know if you do like the longer videos. Obviously, you kind of see me in the process rather than being present for the camera as much. But yeah, a lot of stuff. I've got some more stuff arriving today from Sneakers and Stuff, JD, and 7 Store. So we've got some new pairs coming as well. And then we might hit an outlet later this week, but I probably will not film that. We're going to try and keep on top of these videos. I'm not sure if I'm going to post this on TikTok and chop it up, but we'll see. But I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for staying tuned.